Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. As you know, this is about to be winter season, and during this time there are lots of insect attacks. So today it's just a simple video on how you can get rid of the insect attacks. But before we start onto the video, let me show you the progress of our custard apple plant. In our previous videos, we had showed how to get fruits from the custard apple plant. Right now our plants have lots of custard apple and they have also big in size. Now let us see how you can get rid of the pests. My mom is actually going to create a simple fertilizer that you can give to your plants. This is a bottle full of water and this is bioenzyme. Here my mom is going to show you how to make a simple spray. First take 5 ml of bioenzyme. Then mix it with 1 liter of water. Yes, you're right, only 5 ml of bioenzyme is needed with 1 liter of water. This is a tub full of 5 liters of water. But here my mom used 10 ml of bioenzyme in it. Now you can simply give this to your plant. This is beneficial for both soil and the plant itself. Also during this time, especially during Diwali, we have noticed that there is a lot of dust on the leaves of our plants. So by simply spraying this liquid, you will be able to see no dust on the leaves now. But even after this, my mom noticed mealybugs on the plants. So what do we do now? How to get rid of these mealybugs? But don't worry, because she is going to show you how you can make another magical liquid. Yes, as you have already guessed it is bioenzyme. We have made lots of videos on how you can make your own bioenzyme, but today let me show you a simple video on that only. This bioenzyme is beneficial for your plants, your soil, as well as can easily get rid of the pests. And guess what? This is completely made out of waste items that you have in your house, like any kind of fruits or vegetable peels that you have, and spoiled jaggery. But just make sure that the vegetable or fruits peel is not spoiled and is freshly cut. Here my mom is using orange peels. You will be only needing 300 grams of any peels to make this. After adding in the peel, make sure to use 100 grams of jaggery. Yes, jaggery is essential to make this bioenzyme. And only 100 grams of jaggery is essential to make this. After that, simply add 1 liter of water to the mixture. But after adding the water, make sure that there is some space in the top of the bottle, because here the gas will be generated, which you have to release every day by loosening the cap by a little bit. And to make this process faster, you can use 5 ml of bioenzyme as well. That's all for today. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.